in here. Let's just try to get this done. All the exhaust off while I wait for Rizzy. He's gonna come out and help me. We got the exhaust off. We got the drive shaft off. We're about to get the transmission jack and take it off. We only have like one more bolt left. We finally got the trans out, but I forgot I need to get one of these throwout bearings right here for the new trans. I need that and trans fluid. I'm probably gonna end up getting a new slave cylinder too. I swapped the old one in for my old transmission because this one is, yeah, it's pretty old, so no using this. I'm just gonna finish putting on this transmission mount, and then I have to put this on. Meanwhile, Richard's over here. He's gonna redo my oil pan since it's leaking. Of course. Can't see. Good. Cleaning up the oil pan, getting rid of all the old silicone. We got the new trans in. Well, not new, but not broken trans. Used. Well, I hope it's not broken. After this, I'm probably gonna hold on and putting on the drive shaft because I still have to take out the differential right here. On light. Cameras. I gotta take out the differential. Replace this bushing right here. Replace these bushings, and that's about it for now. We put the oil pan back up, resealed, because we gotta wait for it to dry. Battery's about to die, but we're filling in the trans fluid now. We'll be starting it until a couple weeks because I still have a lot of stuff to do. I still gotta route my fuel lines for my fuel return system. Gotta take out my diff. Oh well. Dude has a whole fender roller with him.
Yeah. Shout out my nigga Tim.
Bacon fenders coming up.
Chill out. Where's the extension
Extension cord?